All right, welcome to 6.02. This is the last lesson of the unit. We're going to cap it off by taking a look at how to use our calculators to analyze derivatives, compute derivatives, graph derivatives, so on and so forth. And as you can imagine, this is going to be very, very helpful. In your studying, you should be using these techniques to check work, to solve efficiently, and it's obviously something that you want to be able to do come AP test time in May. All right, so we have 5 articles here. Again, you're going to read through and take useful notes. I'm not going to explain useful again, so if you want to know what I mean by useful, go back to 6.01. The 5 articles here, the how-to guides, notice the first 3 are trig function based, and that's because trig functions can be a little confusing at times, and actually the calculator can make trig functions kind of just a breeze. So 1 and 2 are some simple things with trig functions, graphing basic trig functions. And then 3 is actually going to walk you through sort of a rediscovery of the unit circle, which I know some of us could really use kind of a refresher on. And then 4 and 5 are kind of what we've all been waiting for, which are techniques for using your calculator to compute derivatives and graph derivatives. This should not take very long, and afterwards you want to spend a good amount of time studying. And in particular, you want to take a look at Unit 3 and 4, which we're going to do a little bit of tomorrow. And of course, if you need any more with 1 and 2, Units 1 and 2, you'll want to do that as well. So spend a good amount of time studying. Make sure that you are using your calculator when you're studying to test those skills that you've learned. And don't be afraid to come by early tomorrow with any questions or shoot me an email.